What's up YouTube? I am back here with another video, and if you cannot tell by the title of this video, I will be showing you how to make your own slime. So, what you will be needing as your first step if you got to get things started. Got it. Glue and tie. Okay. The first thing you need to do is get your glue, pour it in your cup. Oh yeah, you also need a container. Ah! Um, Make a container to put the glue in. So it doesn't get all messy. And that's what just happened. Then you get the side I'm running around with the burn and pour it into the glue. You don't need that much time because it's only mostly making glue. Yeah, and then it's going to get a lot harder, and it's supposed to be sticky. I don't like mine's very sticky mostly. And if it's just too sticky, just keep adding a lot more time. You see, I put too much time in here, just too much time. So like I get rid of most of the time. First I go just like this, just sit, get this one off, get this one off of this. Then all I do is just play with it. And I play with it because all the extra tide is gonna get is gonna rub up into the slime. So then it's not liquidy and it's not getting all over your hands like it is at mine. So, and I put it on the floor, what time a lot of time. So yeah. And if you want you can add glitter, um glow in the dark stuff, stars, rubber bands, you can even make it crunchy slime. But this is just the regular original slime. So now's the slime. So then I just start to squeeze it because it's then starting to get put together a lot more. And this one, I'm just gonna add to this one to make this one a lot bigger. So yeah, that's pretty much all I'm going to do. So now at this stage, you need a container. And the reason you need a container is since you glue is slime is mostly made from glue. So when you leave it out just like glue, it's going to end up drying out. So you need a container to put it in so it doesn't dry out. Something like this, a bag. Yeah, you can even use say like probably a cup like this, but it's not cut, but it has a cap to it. Yeah, you can use a bag or some containers with what's the name caps to it. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this one container. Oh no, already got into it. But yeah, and since this one had a lot of time in it, it's going to need some lotion. So yeah, if it starts drying up, all you have to do is add a little bit of lotion. Mix this into it, just add more lotion. Or you can add water if you don't have lotion. Or you can just add more glue to it. If you want it sticky, I wanted this one sticky again, so I just added more glue. So That's pretty much it for this slime tutorial. I'll be back again with another. So yeah. See you tomorrow on my next video. See ya!